everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my July Beautyfix box by Dermstore. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxes on my channel. I also love mystery boxes and I do lots of makeup hauls. If these are things that you like to see, then I feel like you should subscribe to my channel because I do definitely a lot of unboxings on the channels, mostly makeup subscription hauls. So please consider subscribing to my channel. We greatly appreciate it. If you like makeup subscription boxes, give me a thumbs up and just subscribe. Show your girl some love. Alright, without further ado, let's see what I got in my July Beautyfix Derm box. Alright, so if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen my previous Beautyfix unboxing, I let everyone know that this box is $24.95. Let me just double check. Yes, $24.95. I have a list of all my subscription boxes down below because sometimes I forget. $24.95 a month. Alright, I'm curious to see what I got, so let's dig in. Alright, so this is our first presentation when you open the box. It says, wear hair for the unabashed love of skin. So also if you haven't seen any Beautyfix unboxing, it's more of a skincare driven box. Me personally, I'm more of a makeup driven box, but I want to try different types of skincare. So I thought this would be interesting to try different things through this box. Alright, so let's see what the card says. So the card says Beautyfix by Dermstore. Oh, and it just tells you everything you got in your box. So it kind of gives you like a nice little spoiler. Oh, this is interesting. I've never seen stuff like this in a box. They're getting crafty with the things they put in the box. Very crafty. All right, wow, this looks like a lot of stuff. For $24.95, I definitely got my money. So I see a Dr. Brit. Okay, let me stop cheating. Look at all this stuff. Hold on, let me see if I could give you guys a sneak peek without everything falling out. Oops, look at all this stuff that I got for only $24.95. Amazing, amazing. I love a good deal. Alright, so let's see here. The first thing I see, oh, but there's no prices on here. I know it's always too good to be true. That's how they get you, though. I feel like a lot of the subscription boxes, they put, like, the products, but they don't give you prices. Like, I need prices. Let me see if it goes. There we go. See, there's no prices on anything. But nevertheless, let's see what I got. Alright, so I always wanted to try this. This is the Hair Sweet Hair Gummies with Benefits. I always wanted to try this product, but like I didn't want to like buy it. Oh, hold on, there we go. Hair Gummies with Benefits. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to do. Maintain healthy hair with this vegan supplement made with biotin. I do know biotin is supposed to be good for your nails and for your hair. So I'm excited to try this. I wonder if it tastes good. Let's see. Let's open it up. It has a seal. I'll taste it on camera for you guys. All right, I'm happy that it has a seal. So let's open it up and try it on camera. All right, let's see if it has a smell. I don't like the smell too much. It smells like kind of like a smoothie, but kind of like medicine. All right, so hopefully, let's see if this tastes good. It doesn't say what flavor this is. I think they come in like different colors, but I don't see a flavor on here. But let's try this bad boy out. All right, guys, it looks like a little heart, which is cute. Let's try this out. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. All right, I'm gonna try it. Like, I don't know why I always close my eyes when I'm about to eat something that I think is going to taste nasty. But let's see. Hmm. What does it taste like? It's not bad. It's definitely edible. But I definitely can't eat this. It's okay. It's not bad. I don't know. I can't put my finger on what this tastes like. But it's not bad. Very interesting. Very interesting. I wish I could put my finger on what it tastes like. Oh, it says 14 berry vegans gummies. So I guess it's supposed to taste like berry. I guess it does taste like a berry kind of. Alright, so that's the first thing in here. Can't tell you the price for this. I know normally they come bigger. This one is 14, but I've seen them like in Ulta in like a bigger case. And I've never seen them in a small size. So this must be like, I don't know, maybe a sample size or something, deluxe size. Alright. First thing. I like it so far. Alright. Next thing. What is this? This is a coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Brightens and depuffins. Natural and vegan. 100% pure. This is a big packaging. Look how big this packaging is. Hold on. It's huge. I love the presentation. It's like, oh. Okay, this is the eye cream. Coffee bean caffeine eye cream. This is a big size. This is a 1 ounce, 30 ml, which is normally like the size that eye creams come in, 30 ml. So this looks like this is probably a full size. All right. So keep in mind, this is like I was going to say like 90% skincare, but it is a skincare box. It's rare that they ever put any like makeup in this box, but good for people who like skincare products. All right. Now, this is something for the hair, which is rare. Normally, it's mostly skincare, but I guess sometimes they put a little bit of hair. So this is Orange Kohl Sun Catcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. This must be something new because I've never seen this from Orange Kohl. So this is what it looks like. And there we go. I was trying to get it to focus. There we go. Yeah, so like a leave-in conditioner, not bad. Let's see what else I got in here. This is from Murad. It's a Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Not too shabby. I actually have the... Actually, do I have this serum? Actually, I think I might put this in like when I finally do my giveaway, because I think I got this serum in my Trend Mood box my last Trend Mood box that I got. I think this is in there. I have to check and see. It was definitely like I think it was a brightening serum, but this packaging looks different than what my packaging looks like in the full size. But this is what it looks like. Oh, actually, no, I didn't get this because my thing is not clear when you pump it out. But that's just like a little baby. How cute is that? Very nice. Very nice. So far, I'm liking everything. I like brightening serums. Okie dokie. So let's keep everything together. Alright. The next thing I got is Emma Hardy Morning Light Cleansing Gel. The next thing I got, and like I said, I don't have prices, so I do apologize. But at least you guys get to know what you can get in these boxes, just in case you're considering subscribing to this box for only $24.95. So this is a full-size item. This is a 3D Lip Plump Fix. It says AM Plumping Primer, PM Nourishing Lip Conditioner. Okay, so let's see. We all could love a nice little lip plumper. Oh, this is big. So one size is a 3D Plump Fix Plumping Primer, and one size is a 3D Plump Fix Nourishing Lip Conditioner. So it's like a dual side. Alright, so let's see what each side looks like. Okay, so one side is like a squeeze tube. And let's see how the other side looks like. Is it a squeeze tube as well? Okay, so they're both squeeze tubes on both sides. I like this. So far, I'm liking everything. Not too bad for somebody who doesn't like skincare too much, huh? I mean, it's not that I don't like skincare. I do like skincare, but like, I'm a makeup girl, so obviously I love makeup. But I do know makeup is only as good as what's underneath. That's what I always used to tell like my clients when I was more like just like a beauty advisor and selling on the floor. I would tell my customers, you know, because they never wanted to buy skincare. They always wanted to buy makeup. But I'm like, just keep in mind, you know, they would be like, oh, your skin, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. And I'm like, yeah, because, you know, I use skincare. Even if I don't like skincare, I use it. Your makeup is only as good as what's underneath. Like when you think about it, when you paint a wall, right, you got to use a primer. So that way, when you paint it, everything looks nice and flawless. Same thing with your face. All right. So the next thing I got is the Roche Posay, and this is a serum, B5 serum with pure hyaluronic. Ooh, this is big, pure hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5 in here. It's in here as well. So it comes in a box like so, in a squeeze tube. So that's what it comes like. Hold on. Okay, the next thing I got is from the brand Avni, and it is for dry, hypersensitive, and irritable skin. It's a cream, and it looks like so. That's what it looks like. All right, and that is it for July's Beautyfix box. What do you guys think? You guys think I got my $24.95 worth? I think I did. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottles for $24.95. Full box of skincare. Honestly, do I think I got my money's worth? I definitely got my money's worth. Am I pleased with my box? I am pleased with my box. Am I like overly excited? No, because I don't really like skincare that much. So now when I do my makeup subscription boxes, I'm more like, you know, because I love makeup. But this pushes me to step outside my limit and try skincare. Because if I don't do things like this, I'll probably continue to buy the same skincare for years and years and years. So I love this to step outside my comfort zone and try things I normally would have. So I love the box. So yes, yes, yes. And as I said in like my previous video, I would never, my previous unboxing, makeup subscription unboxing, I would never show you guys something that I wouldn't personally want. So yes, there are tons of other like beauty subscription boxes out there. Yes, there are tons of other skincare, not a lot of other skincare subscription boxes. Like this is like one of the few. They do have other ones, but like I only want to show you guys what I really genuinely like and I love. So I'm not going to have every single beauty subscription box. I'm not going to have every skincare. I'm only going to show you guys what I genuinely like, because I would hope that you guys, if somebody else had a channel, they would show me what they genuinely like and not just show it just to show it for content. I don't do things like this. This is an honest channel. You guys get my honest reviews and my honest thoughts and opinions on everything. And it will always be like that. So that's the end of my video. If you're still here, that means you like my video. So please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Show me a little bit of love. Give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. I'm actually going to film another video right after this because I got my Birchbox today as well. So I'm going to do 2 videos. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I do my unboxing of my Birchbox for you guys. So I love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing.